In this video, we're going to be going over how to set up your power source on Lincoln Electric's CheckPoint production monitoring system. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do, if you don't have it already, is download a tool called PowerWave Manager. You can do this by going to powerwavesoftware.com and clicking the PowerWave Utilities button. You'll then type in your email, agree to the terms, and download the bundle. Once you install that software, you'll need to open it up and grab the key from the power source you want to add to CheckPoint. I recommend doing this to all the power sources you want to set up before configuring your CheckPoint company. So to do this, you'll double click on the PowerWave Manager icon on your computer, and this is what's going to pop up. Now you'll need to connect to your power source in order to download the key that you'll need to link that power source to your CheckPoint account. You can either connect directly to the power source using an Ethernet cable or through wireless, or you can both be on the network, the same network. If you know the IP address of your power source, you can type it in here and click connect. Or again, if you're plugged directly in or on the same network, you can click I don't know the IP address. And if you're on the same network, your power source should show up in this box. And then you can double click it and connect to it. So once you're connected, it's going to look like this. It's going to show you information about your power source and a whole bunch of other configuration options you can do to your power source. But for the sake of this video, we're just trying to set it up on CheckPoint. And if you look down here, there's a section called CheckPoint. So if we click on the Register section inside of CheckPoint, we have 3 steps we need to do. The first step is to give your power source a name. You also need to check this checkbox to enable CheckPoint. That way, the power source knows to start sending out data to the system. You then want to click Apply Settings. This will take a few moments while the power source resets, but once it resets, you should come back to this screen. The next step is to save the key. So this is the key that you'll need to link that power source to your company. So you can go ahead and click Save. Save it whatever makes sense for you. And then you can continue with the process. So at this point, we have the key that we need from the power source that we want to upload to our company. I'll continue this video as if you don't have a company. So to go to CheckPoint, you can do 2 website addresses. You can do checkpoint.lincolnelectric.com or lincolncheckpoint.com. Once the website loads, you'll be able to create your new account. So you can simply do that by clicking right here where it says New Users, and it'll bring you to an account creation wizard. So you'll want to enter in some information, your first and last name and the email address you want to use to log into your account. Once you click the Register button, you'll have to verify within your email inbox to continue with the process. So once you verify your account, you can go back to lincolncheckpoint.com and you'll be able to log in with that account. So if we go and log into our account, you should be prompted to set up your company. It's going to ask you some basic information, company name. In this case, we'll just come up with an example. type in the address, city, and then you can set up which units you want shown as well as the time zone. Now this section down here, to create a company, you need at least one power source key. That's why the first step of this process was grabbing the key. So we're just going to we need a production station to put this power source into, so I will call it Bay 2 Cell 1, for example. This power source is actually an S500. You can put maybe an asset number in here, maybe however you want to identify that power source in that station. The last step is to browse for that file that we downloaded. So if we go to our desktop here, we have that key file. You'll notice it ends in a .tok. And then you click upload. And then you'll see that this unique identifier is populated. So that means you're ready to go. So I'll go ahead and click register. And it's going to create that company with that power source in that company. And once it reloads, we should see that power source show up in our company. So you can see here is our location that we made, Cleveland, and we have that production station, Bay 2, Cell 1. In another video, I'll go through the rest of the system and show you the different reports that exist, and then how to set up things like your shift schedules, your personnel, and things like that. And you can see here, the status is green, which means it's connected. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today.